Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is some standard discrete distribution. In this distribution we are going to learn the fourth distribution, which is known as discrete uniform distribution. In this discrete uniform distribution we are going to learn the 4 points. The first point is definition of discrete uniform distribution. Second one is graph of discrete uniform distribution, in which we will observe the behavior of discrete uniform distribution. And in the third and fourth point we are going to learn mean and variance of discrete uniform distribution. So we shall start with the first point, definition of discrete uniform distribution. A random variable x is said to follow discrete uniform distribution if its PMF is given by probability x equal to I is equal to 1 upon n for I equal to 1 to n. Means the probability of each value 1, 2, 3 up to n is same, and which is 1 upon n. If each value of a variable has the same probability, then the corresponding distribution is known as a discrete uniform distribution. If we write this discrete uniform distributions PMF in a tabular form, then we get x probability x. Here x takes value 1, 2, 3, n, with corresponding probabilities are 1 upon n, 1 upon n, 1 by n. For x equal to n, it is 1 upon n. And if we add all these probabilities, then we get the sum is equal to 1. This is the tabular form of PMF of discrete uniform distribution, in which each and every value has the same probability, and which is 1 divided by n. Now we shall see the next point, graph of discrete uniform distribution. Let us draw a graph of discrete uniform distribution by taking values of x, random variable x, along the x-axis and the values of probabilities along the y-axis. Then it is observed that since each value of x has a probability 1 upon n, so for each value we get all the points on the same value 1 by n. Means for x equal to 0, 1 upon n, x equal to 1, 1 by n, like this. This is the graphical presentation of discrete uniform distribution. Now we shall start with the third point, mean of discrete uniform distribution. We know that mean is obtained by mathematical expectation of x, which we have learned in the earlier lecture. If student want to learn the mathematical expectation and examples on mathematical expectation, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is given in the description box, which is equal to summation xi into pi, I equal to 1 to n. So it is equal to 1 into 1 by n plus 2 into 1 by n, 3 multiplied by 1 by n, and last value is n into 1 upon n. Let me take 1 by n common in order to simplify the equation. So 1 by n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. We know that the sum 1 plus 3 plus n is a sum of first n natural numbers, and its total is, we have already learned in mathematics, it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n get cancelled, so it comes to be n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the expectation of x, which is mean of a discrete random variable x. Hence we have calculated the mean of discrete random variable x, and which is n plus 1 divided by 2. Now we shall move to the fourth point, variance of discrete uniform distribution. By definition of variance, variance x is equal to expected value of x square minus expectation x bracket square. This is the formula for variance by definition. If a student want to learn what is variance and how it is calculated, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. Students are requested to refer the already taken lectures in order to learn the current lectures in simple and more easy way, which is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation x is n plus 1 divided by 2 bracket square. Here we have to calculate expectation x square in an order to obtain the value of variance. So consider expectation x square. We know that by definition it is summation xi square into probability pi. I is 1 to n. By substituting the values of x and probabilities, we get 1 square into 1 by n, 2 square into 1 upon n, and last value is n square into 1 by n. Further, I will take 1 upon n common, then 1 upon n 1 square plus 2 square plus n square. The equation in the bracket is nothing but sum of squares of first n natural numbers, and we already know the formula for it. So it is 1 by n into n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This summation is already learned by the students in the previous standards. So if you don't know, then you can refer it and memorize it. So it is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is the expectation x square. I will substitute this value in the formula of variance and we will simplify it. So it is variance x is equal to n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus n plus 1 bracket square divided by 4. I shall take n plus 1 divided by 2 common, so it is 2n plus 1 by 3 minus n plus 1 divided by 2. By taking LCM, it is 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 3 into n plus 1 divided by 6. By multiplying and simplifying we get n plus 1 divided by 2 into 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3 divided by 6, which is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by n minus 1 divided by 6. So which is n square minus 1 divided by 12. This is the value of variance of discrete uniform distribution. In this way, in this lecture, we learn the definition of discrete uniform distribution, graph of discrete uniform distribution, in which we understand the pictorial form of uniform distribution. Further, we derive the derivations of mean and variance of discrete uniform distribution. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends in order to learn the statistical concepts in simple and more easy way. Further, students are requested to subscribe the Learn Statistics channel for the upcoming notifications of the lectures in the upcoming days. Many more topics are already covered on the Learn Statistics channel. If students want to refer that lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.